we're going to get started by grabbing our programmer out of the side that we want to start with. I'll be going with the Mario merch. Scroll through the options and select Product Definition. Here you will find your price out and your product cost, which determine your set percentage. We want that to be 25%. My Mario plush cost $5.25 each, so I will be changing my product cost. As I do that, you can see my set percentage increases. Once my cost is set, I will adjust my price out to achieve a set percentage of 25. After your percentage is set, you want to scroll down to Automatic Claw and turn that on. From there, we'll go down to T-Claw Learn. This is how the claw will program itself according to the size and weight of your merch. Hit Test to start the claw learn. The claw will automatically move and drop itself somewhere in the playfield, typically in the front right corner. The claw will pick up whatever item you have placed there and bring it back up to be weighed. After making some weird sounds and holding it there for a minute, the claw will drop your item and make a cool noise letting you know it accepted your item. When weighing your merchandise, as in the case of my Mario plush, you want to weigh your lightest item, that way your claw strength is never too high. After that, you want to scroll on down to Restart Game to save your changes. Now we'll move over to the Hello Kitty side. This side was a little different for me, as the plush was too light for the size claw I had. The claw would pick up my kitty, make an awful noise of rejection, and drop it. So we're going to have to set this one up manually. You'll see my set percentage, price out, and product cost are already set. So I'll scroll down, making sure my automatic claw is off, and head down to retaining power and pickup power to set my claw correctly. I won't go too far into how to set this up, as my last video covered that in detail. If you haven't seen it, well, you missed the avatar of instructional videos, with all of the stunning effects and none of the horrible dialogue and terrible story. Now we're going to take a second to talk about the decorations. Now this is a premiere game, so in words that are more Lisa's than mine, the decor needs to be spiffy. So we used some computer printouts and a poster for the Hello Kitty side, and we used Mario stickers on the other side. Attaching some of those printouts to the shelves really made them pop. As for the merch itself, laying it out in rows makes for a cleaner look. Finally, the acrylic ice on the base of the crane gives it some texture and depth. We even opted to put an LED light strip under ours. We went with white due to the colorful cabinet's ability to induce seizures on its own. And that's it for the E-Claw. I was your slightly less bearded host. I'll see you again next time.